Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about EverWebinar, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you change the attendance view in your EverWebinar? So let's go ahead and talk about that. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to update the attendance view in your EverWebinar anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running a business doing webinars, you know that if you have a lot of people on your webinar, it makes it feel like it's a lot more exclusive and it can help your conversions. So EverWebinar has a lot of different attendance views that your viewers can see. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your EverWebinar dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my EverWebinar, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to change the attendance view that people see when they're watching your webinar, here on the left, make sure you've clicked on webinars. Once you do that, you're going to see all the webinars you're currently running. Go ahead and choose the webinar that you're going to update the attendance view for. So for example, this one, and click on edit. Once you click on edit, you're going to see all these blue dots here. And in order to update the view for who's attending your webinar, click on live. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see this drop-down menu, and you want to scroll down until you see this one, display number of attendees, and click on the little pencil icon. Okay, guys, so here are the options for your attendance view. So if you'd rather hide it, you can do this one right here. So basically what's going to happen is up here on the top right, it's not going to show how many attendees are in the webinar. All right. The next option is you can do actual real attendees in the room. So if you're only going to have 1 or 2 people in there, I probably wouldn't really recommend this one. Also, you don't want to use this one if you're not going to be using a hybrid webinar. So basically a hybrid webinar, your recorded webinar is going to run as if it's live, but you personally are going to be managing the chat box. Next, you can go ahead and do a fixed simulated number of attendees. So, we can put in, let's say 5 people, and 5 attendees are going to be in the webinar throughout the whole webinar. And lastly, you can do what's called dynamic, because if you're running webinars, you know that some people come and they go, they log in, they log out. So with this, what you can do is you can put maximum amount of attendees, let's say 100. And what's going to happen if you look at this little chart, people are going to start joining in, but they're going to start falling out. EverWebinar is going to simulate that. So that way, whoever's on the webinar, they're going to see this number fluctuate. That's the one that I like personally, but that's really up to you. So once you've chosen, be sure to click on save. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to change the attendance view in your EverWebinar, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.